Oh my god, I'm tingling. I love these. This is like better than Christmas. I treated myself. These are so cute. They make me want to cry. Oh. Hello, today we are going to be doing one of my favorite things in the whole world, and that is opening up new jewelry. I splurged on some jewelry. I found this brand on an Instagram ad that popped up and I loved so many of the pieces. I wanted to buy some and do a full review so we can test it out and see if it's good or not. The brand is called En Route Jewelry. It looks to be a really cool and unique jewelry brand. It's based out of New York. The pieces are priced pretty affordably and they looked really cute. They had some really unique stuff. Let's pull up my receipt. Okay, I'm resetting my password because I can't log back into here. What the heck? Why is this my life? I swear that's the password I used. While that's loading, I don't know if you noticed, but I completely redid my background. What do we think? So I was like moving a chair over here and sitting on like a higher chair while there was literally a desk with a chair right here that I use for my sewing machine. So I was like, why am I moving all this stuff? So I finally committed and I have my camera and lights just like in a permanent setup here and kind of simplified everything. I got the vines back up. I took the vines down, now the vines are back. Please let me know what you think. I feel like I really like this and it's gonna make my life so much easier because before I was like setting up my tripod, camera, lights, microphone every time I filmed, and I'm hoping now I can just kind of like leave this set up and just use this lower desk right here. And then I also got rid of that like wooden hutch that was in all my videos where I kept all my thread for some of my sewing machines. I fit that all into this desk, reorganized a bunch of stuff, and just completely got rid of that and made room over here so that my dog can have a bed. It's just so much nicer in here. I feel like this looks really clean and cute and fun. Reset your password. I swear to God, if this tells me this was the password I already used. Okay, it worked. We're into my account. Oh my God. Total angel number moment. My total was 155.55. I don't know what like angel numbers is like when you see like a repeating number. I want to see what 555 means. A symbol of positive change and new beginnings, as well as a message of encouragement and support from your angels. That fits right in with our new background. I feel like this is a positive change. I really like this. I took down the little moth lady, but like, I don't know if I might hang her back up here. Let me know what you think. Do you like it with or without the moth up here? We are way off topic here. En Route Jewelry. They have some really, really cute pieces. Most of the pieces I got were between like $20 and $30, which if these are good quality, I have no problem paying that for a nice piece of jewelry that I'm gonna wear a lot. I ended up, yeah, spending the $155 and I got 7 items. I'm so excited. Also wanted to mention that I just filmed this whole makeup and hair look that should be up on my channel already if you want to check that out. Let's open up some jewelry. We'll be trying all this on, of course. I opened this one because I was confused why this package was here. They shipped one piece separate, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that first. I didn't open this yet because I want to have a complete first impression. Oh, that's cute. It comes with a biodegradable package. Love that. I love a good eco-friendly moment. Cindy Kimberly. I don't know what that means. This box says Cindy Kimberly En Route. Cute box. I like the colorfulness of it. Maybe that's like a designer. I don't know. Oh, this is, I think, one of their best sellers. Venom's Golden Drip Heart Necklace in gold. Another cool thing about their site was you could choose gold or silver for a lot of the pieces, which I really liked that it had that option. Oh, cool. Had this little like card it was attached to. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Let me take this little plastic off so I can show you. Let's see what's in here. That It's really on there. Okay, here it is. Very pretty. I really like this. And it said this is one of their best-selling pieces because I remember seeing it on the best sellers. I want to try this on right now. I'm gonna take off my jewelry. I guess I can leave this little choker on. I love jewelry. Like this video if you love jewelry. And it does have the adjustable thing on it. I need to get a mirror. I'll be right back. Oh my god, I love this. I can already tell that I am gonna wear this all the time. I love the length. I love the size. I feel like it makes a statement, but it's not like too big or too much. This is really, really cute. I'm in love. My heart is bleeding. It's like taking me back to my emo days. That is really cute. What did I pay for this? Let's see. I paid $22.40. So what I did was I created an account so I could add everything to my cart and wish list that I wanted to buy. And when I left my items in the cart, they emailed me a coupon. If you want to buy anything, I recommend doing that. They have that kind of like forgotten cart thing set up. It's just a little tip. I ended up getting 20% off the whole order. Okay, obsessed. Love this. Let's open the next piece. Before we open the next piece, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you have not already. I can't believe there's over 400 of us now. I love you all so much. Okay, let's open more jewelry. We're getting into the big package now. Ah, oh my god, I'm tingling. Oh my god, it's full of stuff. This is so exciting. I treated myself. Okay, this box has a name on it too. See, this box says Nanya Florence. I want to say maybe these are the actual designers of each individual piece. Let me do a little research here. Let me find that heart necklace. Best sellers. Let's see if there's a name on there. The names on these are specific jewelry designers that collaborated, which is so cool. I love that. Love that they are working with and supporting independent jewelry designers. That's so cool. I'm in love with this necklace. Oh my god, you're gonna be seeing me wear this, I'm sure. Okay, so this piece was Nanya Florence. They all come in these nice boxes. I really like that. These are so cute. Okay, why are they stuck together? Come on. These are adorable. They're just called butterfly hoop earrings, and I paid $24 for these. Pretty little like rhinestone hoop with a dangly butterfly. These are gonna be so cute for springtime. I cannot wait. Okay, let's try them on. Have these little huggies on. And if you're wondering why I always wear my dangly earrings in my second hole, because unfortunately I had a tragic accident and my lower piercing got ripped a little bit, so I can't wear anything heavy or dangly in my bottom hole. James got me these really pretty diamond earrings for Christmas, and I feel like they make my ear look not ripped by some miracle. So that's why I'm gonna have to put all of these more dangly ones in my second hole. If you're wondering why, that's why. I don't know if there's like any way I can fix it. It didn't rip all the way through. It's just like the hole is ripped a little bit. Very unfortunate accident when that happened. Oh, those look really cute. And they don't feel super heavy. They definitely have a little weight to them. Like I can feel that there's something like swinging and hanging on my ear, but it's not super uncomfortable. Oh my god, those are so pretty. I love these. So unique. I've never seen anything like that. You know I love butterflies or anything with wings. Very cute. Okay, love, love, love. $20-something is not bad for a piece of jewelry like this. Okay, let's open our next piece. I love that they have the biodegradable packaging. I also was reading on their website that they work with this thing. It's called One Tree Planted. It's a non-profit that works to plant trees. We love that over here. We love that. We need more trees. Can't go wrong with that. So I love that they're giving back in that way. So this one just came in the regular, just kind of black box. Looks really sleek and nice. Ooh, this is a necklace. This is kind of like a rope chain necklace. It's in a knot. There we go. Came out really easy. Ooh, this is nice. Just kind of like a basic, nice, regular gold rope chain. I feel like it's kind of nice to just have these kind of like basic pieces in your jewelry repertoire that are easy to just throw on. This has a really nice weight to it. Feels pretty good quality. It's a little thicker, I think, than I thought it would be. Well, I should have known it was thick because it's called the Thick Rope Chain Necklace and I paid $29. I'm gonna put it on the shortest setting and see where that takes us. Ooh, I feel like that might look really good layered together with this one. Ooh, that is really pretty. I am dripping right now. What do you think? I think that looks really good layered with all the other necklaces I have on. Very cute. I think I will get a lot of use out of this. What else do we have in our magical bag? Okay. We have a designer here, Ava Jewels. That's a pretty box. Ooh, these are so dainty and cute. These are adorable. Floral hoop earrings and they were $20. It's just a nice little dainty hoop, but it looks like a bunch of tiny little flowers put together with pink and almost like little pearls on every other flower. I'm gonna take the butterflies off and we're gonna try these on. I'm excited to have some new earrings because I've been feeling a little bit in a rut with my earrings lately. I'm putting on my left ear first. This is so funny, but like when I was little, I was kind of like superstitious and a little OCD, and I thought that if I didn't put my right earring on first, like something bad was gonna happen to me. I recently just decided that it's time to get over that, so we're putting the left one on, and so far so good. Nothing bad has happened since I put my left earring on. Oh, these are really cute. It's like a nice everyday kind of earring, but it's still really unique and kind of special and pretty and dainty and girly. I love them. I love these. For $20, that is a really, really cute earring. I can see myself wearing these all the time. I really, really like these. How exciting to find this jewelry brand. So far, I can already say I will be purchasing more. They had this one necklace I really wanted, but it was sold out. I put my email in. As soon as that comes in stock, I'm gonna buy it. Next, this is like better than Christmas. Regular box. I like how all the boxes are different. Okay, so this is the piece I saw in the ad that got me to click on the website, was these little stud earrings. These cute, adorable little twinkling star stud earrings. These are so cute. They make me want to cry. I'm so excited to wear these, and I kind of got these thinking about my third earring hole because I often just like to wear like a simple little stud up there. Sparkle stud earrings, and I paid $23.20 for these. And I want to say these were also on the bestseller page, and they had so much cute jewelry. I'm telling you, if you go on there, you're gonna want to buy something, so just be careful. Get on at your own risk because the prices are good, but like you think you're not gonna spend a lot and it adds up quick. I definitely took things out of my cart that I still wanted, but you know, we had to keep it under control. You know what these remind me of? Like the little twinkle emoji. That's one of my favorite emojis. But you know what? I don't think that on like Android phones that one looks the same. I think it looks different, and that is just such a tragedy for you if you have an Android phone, because that's one of the cutest emojis. Oh my god, these are the cutest earrings I've ever seen. How stinking cute. That just screams happiness. I mean, how can you look at that and not feel just some sort of way? Like, I am literally obsessed with these. I'm really happy right now. Look how cute my ear game's looking. That is looking really, really cute. Sometimes I've regretted getting the third earring hole done just because it's like a lot of work to put all the earrings in, but now that I have these to put in there, regret no more. Moving on to our next piece. Oh my god. These are really cute. I can see them through the packaging. These are adorable. Okay, how do you close them? Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh my god, they're little heart safety pin earrings with a lock. I'm freaking in love. Heart safety pin locket earrings, and these were $35. So these were a little more expensive. These are so cute. Let's try them on. I feel like these might be a little trickier to get on. So it looks like you can kind of just like pinch and pull that out. Is it closed? I think it's closed. Okay, that wasn't so hard. I feel like this is just like everything I want in jewelry right now is what I'm getting with these pieces. That is such a cute little earring. How cute. It's kind of hard to see because they're like to the side. I can definitely see myself wearing these a lot because they're just like a nice, simple little earring, and it's not like too much. It's not that big or heavy, but when you really look at it, it's just like really unique and cute and different, and it just makes me smile. Another winner! Just like don't want this to end. This is so much fun. Oh, this one has little cherries on it. Oh wait, I did get another necklace. I thought I only got 2 necklaces, but I got 3 necklaces. What's even better than 2 necklaces is 3 necklaces. Oh yeah, I forgot I got this to match the earrings, the twinkles. Just like a cute little dainty chain with the little twinkles on it with some little gemstones. This is the gold twinkle star necklace, and it was $29. I'm so excited. Okay, let's take off this one I have on here. I kind of have a feeling these 3 might layer really cute together. I'm gonna put this on its tightest setting and see where it lays. And I think that's exactly where I was hoping it was gonna lay. So cute. It lays like right in this little crook of your neck, like not a choker length, but a little longer. How cute is that? Such a nice, just little dainty layering piece, good for every day. I really like that. I actually really like how these 3 layer together. I think they all look really good together. Sadly to say, that was the last piece. All good things must come to an end. I think this was such a huge success. I am so happy with every piece. I almost didn't order this heart necklace. I added this in right at the end, and I'm so glad I bought it. I just think it looks so good. First impression, 10 out of 10. No complaints at all. Good packaging, came quickly, gave me a nice coupon. Seems like a good brand working towards sustainability, working with independent artists. I'm really happy with it. I will link everything below. I'll link the shop below. Thank you so much for watching. This was a lot of fun. Really appreciate you being here. Please let me know what you think about the new background. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe before you leave, and until next week, please remember that you are special, beautiful, and magical, and I love you so much. Bye.